In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the capture time and date of your photos in Lightroom Classic, a task that can be particularly handy when dealing with images captured in different time zones or from cameras with incorrect date settings. Let's dive right in and make sure your photo library is as organized and accurate as possible. First, you'll want to open Lightroom Classic and navigate to the Library module, which is the central hub for organizing and managing your photos. From here, you can select the images you aim to adjust. You're free to select just one photo or multiple images depending on your needs. Selecting multiple images can save you time if you have several photos that require the same adjustment. Remember, the Library module makes it easy to see all your photos at a glance, so you'll have no trouble finding the images you want to adjust. Once you've selected the photo or photos, head to the menu at the top of the screen and go to Metadata, then choose Edit Capture Time. This will open the Edit Capture Time dialog box, which is where you'll make all your adjustments. Don't worry, this step is straightforward, and Lightroom provides you with three main options you can use, depending on your situation. The first option is Adjust to a specified date and time. This option allows you to manually set the exact date and time you want for your images. It's particularly useful if you know the precise moment the photo was taken and you want to correct it to match your memory or other records. The second option is called Shift by Set Number of Hours, also known as the Time Zone Adjust. This is perfect if you've traveled across different time zones and found that your camera clock was set wrong for the location you were in. Instead of manually changing each photo, you can simply add or subtract the necessary number of hours to bring your photos in line with the local time. Lastly, there's Change to File Creation Date for each image. This option sets the capture time to the exact time the file was created on your computer. It can be helpful if you have files that were transferred from different devices and want to match them to when they were imported. Once you've decided on the adjustment method and entered your desired values, go ahead and click Change if you're only working with a single image or change. All if you've selected multiple images. This will apply the changes across all selected photos and complete the process. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to ensure your photos accurately reflect the correct capture date and time. By following these steps, you can keep your library organized and ensure your memories are properly time-stamped. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!